Nah, you got me doing some voodoo shit. Fuck that. I'm 6'9". I think I should have told you this before, but you are on camera.
We fucking got
You high as a motherfucker right now.
Smacked. Stone smacked.
Gone.
I don't see shit on my
skipping
shit.
that booty hole.
The fuck up, pussy ass nigga.
Bro, daddy, please don't treat me like this.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Say that I'm good enough. When me I did it. Say me shit that I shouldn't have. Never in front of me. Never in front of me. That hoe is in front of me. Like that boy is a bum. Never.
Nah. Yo,
Yo.
skip it, bro. Skip it. This is spiritual, bro. It's a ritual. I said spiritual. This is ritual.
Yeah, what?
What the fuck? Who was that?
I'm Wednesday Adams.
Huh?
No, I'm really Wendy's. Like I work at Wendy's, and I'm Wendy herself.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Yo, your hair look tough.
Right?
So you say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
There we go.
I nigga
Yo.
got mad.
Who got mad?
Some black nigga. He look like Coyle Ray.
A black nigga look like Coyle Ray?
I look like Coyle Ray.
He was like majestic looking.
That's kind of fruity, Gingo.
I'm a little bit. I'm just a little bit.
You a little bit fruity?
Yeah, just a little bit.
It's okay.
But that's
Well,
okay, right?
You just suck dick here and there.
2023, right?
Right. You just suck dick here and there.
Yeah, but like black lives, like, you know what I'm saying, it's bigger than black and white. You feel me?
Yeah,
Sometimes it's not really about just sucking dick. It's really just like, you know what I'm saying, caressing it. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
How often do you do that?
Like every like 5 months. You feel me?
He's fucking gay, bro. Skip.
Hey, shut your Indian ass up, Bomber. Hey, this nigga.
What's up, yo?
What's the fuck up?
Why so aggressive?
Tamron, why everybody say that about you? I think you do. You have to stop talking because you gotta be stopped. Niggas say you too aggressive. Everyone, why? She's so hot. Why is she aggressive?
She said, "What the fuck is up?" Yeah. Nigga, talk, nigga. Pero habla, manín. Yo, I'm not gonna skip it, Kingo, till you talk. So we could just stand here. You look at me. I look at the ceiling.
Wait, bro, you recording right now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, they blowing up the group chat, bro.
Yeah,
I'm gonna skip this nigga.
What's on your ceiling?
A vent?
I ain't gonna lie, I've never seen a ceiling vent.
Why that shit look like that?
Them should be on the floor over here. Where you from? Where's that at?
Yeah.
Why?
You don't gotta say it. We don't really care. It's just talking. The fuck?
She said a vent?
Nah, what the fuck was that?
iPhone was up there.
Nigga said that. What the fuck is that? Is that a toothpaste?
Where's that?
What the fuck? Oh.
Hello.
Nah, you got me doing some voodoo shit. Fuck that. Yeah.
Yo.
What up, Gingo?
Nothing.
Where you from?
Down the hill.
I'm from up the hill.
No, the fuck you not.
I am Gingo.
No, you not.
How you know me?
You don't even know where that's at.
I do know.
Where?
You're down the hill, nigga.
And we
Be fucking for Be fucking for real.
What you mean?
You feel me? I ain't even ready to sit here and troll niggas. Niggas seem cool, you feel me? I'm on bullshit tonight. I wasn't even a lot of niggas. I'm sitting here on bullshit. Just
we're on
trolling niggas. I'm fucking 503.
Oh, you're close from us.
I'm on the East Coast. I'm in Baltimore.
Yeah, we ain't.
Baltimore.
They
Yeah,
say
see,
so.
down the hill, nigga. See what I'm talking about? Down the
No, nigga,
hill.
and you don't know. You
Down
don't
the
Downhill.
know.
hill. I was right,
You don't
Kingo.
know. You feel me? I was on here looking for the bad bitches, but it's no bad bitches. It's nothing but Indian niggas.
Bro,
Straight Philippines.
Straight
we
Indian
saw.
niggas, yo. It's Abdul in them, you feel me? Muhammad and shit like that. Like,
Straight
I don't want to talk to
Philippines.
these niggas.
But was they
Then,
speaking
then,
English? They were speaking English too?
hell no. And then, first of
Damn.
all, I don't even give them the chance. I sit there and disrespect the shit out of them off bat. Like, the second India pop up, I'll be like, fuck India. Off bat. Fuck everything that niggas stand for.
What you
Oh,
do?
you do?
All right.
Oh, let me hear a bar. Let me hear a bar. Let me. Oh, you're on. You're on. Ah, you're on the
What you
hot. You
what you
got
what you
the.
want to have
You got the
freestyle?
hot seat. You
What
got
you
the hot
what you
seat
want to
now.
have? I got you.
Let
I
me hear
said,
some.
I said,
Mhm.
448. How much grams up in that P? Niggas want to cut on me. I fought around, lead them deceased. Bitch, we hopping out. Glass and choppers, know that we on feet. So much shots up in that Glock. I better flash this thing you see. Throw that mask on up the Glock. Better hope nobody see. I've been getting to that money, so it ain't no need to beef. But it's still fuck the ops. We're trying to hop out and go creep. Niggas claiming they some shooters, but be aiming at defeat. You feel me?
Okay. Now, is that a song or that was off the dome?
Off the dome. You feel me? I got my notes
Alright.
written in my
We're gonna
head.
see. We're gonna see. You got the hot seat now. I'm gonna put words on a board and you gotta rap them.
All right,
Like
go
that?
ahead.
You
All
like
right, go
that?
ahead. Go ahead. A lot of niggas is
Ah,
entertaining me now.
ah,
Yes.
Wait.
Lord, I'm
Wait,
loving it. Go ahead.
how long you been rapping for?
Well, I've been rapping since I was like fucking 9. Mike. All right.
gotta go and then I'm gonna just show you shit.
All right.
Like
All
you
right. I
say
got
you like that. You say you like that.
all right. All right. Hold on. You said Mike. All right. Slide through your block. Said we coming through at night. Pass my brody, got the mic. Nigga claim he got a pipe. Say he swinging, take his life. Niggas bitches don't want to fight. Niggas say that he be outside spinning. No, we take his life. Nigga play, we take his shoes. Niggas know what we do. Niggas know we hop out. We gonna hit your fucking crew. Nigga play with me. I swear to God, he make the fucking news. No, we hop out with them double cups. Nigga play, no, we hop out with them double cups.
You gotta
Nigga
keep
play, we
going.
fuck them up. Bitch, we hopping out and we gonna hop outside them double trucks. Niggas know they outside been in blocks. We gonna fuck them up. Niggas say they outside been in blocks, so we gonna help them up. Niggas say they outside been in blocks. I bet they never out. How you say you outside in the house? You niggas never out. Niggas be white boys in the house. These niggas never out. I be toting choppers in them glocks. You niggas never out. Oh my god, off the brain though. This shit crazy. Swear to God, niggas, they really be fucking lazy. Yeah, bitch, she really wanna have my motherfucking baby. How you say you outside in the trenches? Niggas lazy. Y'all ain't hand me though. Fuck them black. All right. Now shit getting personal. I'm gonna have to really hit a nigga. Nigga is black. Shit. You gotta keep it going though. Sleep.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
How you been?
Whipping niggas like it's slavery. Nigga play with me. I swear to God, he gonna hate me. Fucking nigga. Slavery. Slavery. Next gonna be Nick.
Damn.
Oh, my
What
ear,
the
bro. You
fuck?
just raped my ear, Gingo. What the fuck was that?
Oh, sorry.
That
That's
you're a girl. So how you get money? Oh, what that mean?
Don't worry
What
about
that
that.
mean? What
Don't
that
worry
mean?
about that. He said don't worry about that.
I think I should have told you this before, but you are on camera.
Got him. We fucking got him.
Yo.
Mm-hmm.
But how you get your ceiling like that?
With a galaxy projector. Stupid.
that
That funny.
that shit tough.
I
Nah,
guess.
it's tough though.
Yo, what's going on with your bed though? Yo.
Scoliosis.
Scolio. You
Huh?
can't blame that shit on your scoliosis.
You don't got no pillowcase on?
I do have a pillowcase.
What
You
you
got a
doing?
pillow.
You're 9:15.
You got a naked pillow on.
Nah, that do look like a naked pillow. I'm not gonna lie.
Well, you want to see the pillow?
Yeah. Damn.
That's 1, 2.
Oh, that's nasty.
Yeah, I look like Cedric, bro.
I do look
Give me
like
5
Cedric.
so I get a bacon, egg, cheese, the Aki way. Before I tell the cops to touch my booty hole.
Skip.
Yeah.
Yeah. What the fuck?
So you sound like you're fucking Morgan Freeman, my guy.
One thing I can tell you, if you're looking to improve the sound of your voice, yawn a lot.
Oh.
How old are you?
Like, I'm 17.
You faking it.
No, I'm not. My dad sound like this.
Where the who?
Where my mother?
What are your what?
Where my mother? That what y'all say in New York?
Where
Mother.
are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Texas.
Okay. Texas is wild.
What you mean wild?
I heard there's a lot of racism over there. Is that true?
I don't live in the country.
Oh, okay. You going to college? Hell no.
Yeah, for basketball, nigga. Fuck.
Okay. You tough?
Yeah, I'm tough.
What position?
Small forward.
What's your height?
6'5".
Okay. You got potential. You could dunk. You're 6'5" ass
No,
better
better
dunk.
be dunking.
Right, you're 6'5".
Of course I'm dunking, nigga. I'm windmilling.
Okay.
I ain't East Lane, though.
Shit.
I ain't East Lane, though. That's dead.
You dunk off vert? 2 hands?
Oh, yeah, I can dunk off vert.
2 hands?
2 hands, 1 hand. 360.
Okay, that's okay.
That's
You
easy.
Gucci.
I mean, bro, if you this tall, bro, you better know how to dunk.
Right.
Can you dunk? How tall you is?
I'm 6'9".
I can't hold it in my face.
Yo, L fucking friend, bro. You want to see me dunk?
Yeah, dunk. Show me your dunk.
It's not a lie. Feel me? I'm 5'11". So I think the only one I have is this one. It was off a lob.
Ooh, it's tough. Like,
What's that? God.
hey, okay.
Oh, he's not lying.
That's
Not too bad.
Because you 5'11", that's impressive.
He's not lying.
If you really be consistent in the gym, you can really be in that bitch.
Right. I took a break though, man. Growing up, really like.
Get back on that shit.
Growing up, really like.
Get back on the grind.
You still got them NBA dreams.
Like, kind of, bro.
Growing up hits
it's
you
still
hard.
a slight chance I can make it though. I can like, bro.
You 6'10", bro. Anybody fight for it. Yeah, anybody.
Bro, when I make it, bro, you getting $1 million.
Here comes the money. Here we go. Money talk. Here comes the money. Money.
Start doing content. See where it leads you. It might work. It might not work out. That's where I'm at right now. I'm just seeing if it works out. If it works out, I got life. Once you become a YouTuber, it's like a whole new life.
Exactly.
And if it doesn't work out, at least when I die, I say I tried it.
Do it! Just do it!
What made you want to try it?
My boy, he's about to hit 100K. He's getting popular in it. He was like, bro, just start it. He pretty much said the same thing I just told you, like, at least you tried. So me and my boy, Brand, we started it. In the beginning, we was together doing videos. Then he moved. So it's been kind of like 50-50. He does some videos. I do most of the videos. It's still technically our channel. You can search him up. It's K2 Raw.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
He look like a YouTuber, but he's not what the B stand for. But he is what made you want to get into it. And y'all are like close in real life?
I wouldn't say close, but like we went to the same high school. Like we keep in touch. But we don't chill, but. So yeah. What up, Gango? You high as a motherfucker right now.
Smacked. Stone smacked.
Gone. Yo, that chain is tough, Gango. That shit real? Hey, you get me like that, okay? I got a diamond tester.
Come on.
Alright, bet. Hold on. You got any talents, my boy? You can rap, you could sing.
No, I'm a hooper.
You a hooper?
Oh.
What's your height?
6'3".
Okay. Your tall ass better dunk. You could dunk? Okay. My boy got proof. Show the receipt. I'm gonna look for a video too. If your video is better than mine, I'm not showing you mine, okay?
It gonna go in slow motion.
Okay. Now, are you just a
Okay, I fuck
dunker
with
or
that.
you do everything?
Everything. All around.
Everything. You play for your school? You in college? You in high school?
I'm in high school with my last year.
How much you average last year?
A game?
Yeah. Don't cap too. There's no reason to cap. I'm a stranger.
Yeah.
Cap.
Don't care. Ain't gonna lie. It was like 15, but the most I scored like 25.
That's valid. That's valid. You started? I know some coaches be having favorites and shit. Having senioritism. Dude, you still got NBA dreams?
Yeah. But look though. Yeah, I started.
Oh yeah, I see you dapping up the coaches. Yeah, you a starter. You a starter. Okay. Only starters know that feeling.
Oh, yeah.
Look, I'm gonna show mine. Yours a little better. Mine was off of live. You know, lives is easier.
Oh yeah.
Sign light.
That's 10 feet.
I'm 5'7" though.
Wait a minute.
I'm 6'9". Oh, that's in game.
Yeah.
Okay, I ain't never had no in.
Man, no, man.
Oh, okay,
Put back.
that's valid. In the Christmas spirit.
Nah, I was just doing something different, man.
Okay, I mean it's just a line though. You don't want to do no zigzags or nothing.
No, it's.
Oh shit. Oh, you out there just trying shit.
Just remember, luck from the wick said you gonna blow. So that means you gonna blow.